EOS for Batman, mascara for Catwoman, a lipstick amulet from Dr. Strange, and a makeup brush for Harley Quinn? Watch the Battle of Marvel vs. DC makeup in our new video. Jessica and Blondie are huge comics fans. Jessica likes Marvel's fun stories, and Blondie thinks that the dramatic plot twists in the DC universe are exciting. Each girl is positive that her heroes are the best. Jessica even made an EOS lip balm to honor her favorite character, Captain America. Take lip balm out of an EOS container and divide it into parts. Attach the grid to the cap. Color the lip balm with blue makeup glitter. Melt it in a microwave and pour it into the container. Let it harden. Put white edible pearl powder into another part. Melt it and pour it into the container as the second layer. Let it harden too. Mix the third part with red makeup glitter. Melt it and pour it in. Let the lip balm harden. Cover the EOS container with acrylic paints. Color the bottom red. Paint rings on the cap like the ones on Captain America's shield. Coat the container with clear nail polish and attach a silver star. Wow! Jessica has a superhero-inspired EOS. A mini Captain America shield is always in her pocket. Blondie doesn't find this lip balm impressive. She also has a super weapon, a Batman EOS straight out of the DC universe. Place a cutout of the Batman logo onto an EOS lip balm. Trace it with a toothpick and make a hollow inside. Add black food coloring to the remaining lip balm. And fill the cutout on the EOS with it. Let it harden. Shape a Batman mask from light clay. Add holes for eyes with acrylic paint. Attach the mask to the EOS cap with multi-purpose glue. I open up my superhero EOS. The moment I show this logo, Batman hurries to the rescue. So my lip balm is more useful. The girls start arguing over whose makeup is better. Let the battle begin. Blondie turns into her favorite character, Harley Quinn. Now we will see who the winner is. But her rival is MIA for some reason. Where is Jessica? Waiting for someone is so boring. Here she comes. Jessica turned into the best spider in the world. Plus, she brought Dr. Strange's amulet along. Clean a used round eyeshadow palette. Melt old leftover lipstick in a microwave and fill the cells in the palette with it. Add glitter to green acrylic paint. Mix it and color the cap of the palette. Coat it with clear nail polish. Trace the palette on thick foam board. Draw an eye shape around it. Cut it out. Make a hole for the palette inside. And cut the hollow so that the palette opens. Paint the piece bronze. Color the bottom of the palette the same way. Put the palette into the foam board eye. Make a pattern on the locket with acrylic outliner. Decorate the top of the palette. Stick a hook into the foam board. Thread a piece of cord through it and fasten it with a knot. Dr. Strange's magical eye amulet will help Jessica do her friend's lip makeup while she's asleep. It's a real beauty amulet. We will make the whole world brighter. But Harley was just pretending to be asleep. She doesn't need any stupid amulets to be beautiful. She has her own tried and tested bullet lipstick. Cover an old lipstick tube with painter's tape. Color 2/3 of it with gold acrylic paint. Remove the tape. Paint the top silver. Color old lipstick with liquid food coloring. And add in makeup glitter. Melt it in a double boiler. Fill a syringe with the melted lipstick and let it harden. Make glittering pink lipstick the same way. Cut off the end of the syringe and press the lipstick out with the plunger. Cut the lipsticks lengthwise and put 2 different halves together. Put the stick into the colored tube. Harley Quinn doesn't give up that easily. She tries to do Spider-Man's makeup with her double-colored lipstick. This is so crazy! Now Jessica is ready to fight for real. The feud over which comics universe is better is in full swing. The girls don't even notice that a friend joined their universe. They're in the middle of a real fight between superheroes. Dolly can't figure out what's going on. Why do her friends look so weird? And what are they fighting over? Then the Supergirls tell her about their argument. Dolly should decide which comic book makeup is better. Jessica takes out her spider face powder. Color a face powder compact red using spray paint. Draw a cobweb on a makeup sponge with a permanent marker. Copy the pattern onto the lid with acrylic outliner. Cut Spider-Man's eyes from a piece of a foam rubber sheet. Attach them to the lid. Put in the sponge. This Spider-Man face powder is soft like cobwebs. Dolly appreciates all its superhero qualities. Harley Quinn presents her Flash face powder. You can do your makeup lightning fast. Paint a face powder compact red. Cut out a white paper circle about half the size of the lid. Draw the Flash lightning bolt logo on thick yellow cardboard. Glue the circle and the lightning bolt to the top of the powder compact. The girls get carried away with the face powders. Be careful! You might turn your friend's face into a superhero's mask. Dolly wants to help choose the winner. But it's so difficult! Both powder compacts are nice. This decision is way too complicated. Dolly's arrival made the girls' fight even bigger. Now each girl is trying to prove to Dolly that her universe is cooler. Dolly doesn't understand anything. Next thing you know, the room will break in half from all this fighting, and so will Dolly's head. Calm down! You should just show me all the beauty of your universes. That's easy! Jessica already has a makeup product for her favorite character. It's Wasp Mascara. Coat a mascara tube with black acrylic paint. Add an armor pattern with Elmer's glue. Sprinkle it with gold glitter. Fasten it with clear nail polish. Hot glue decorative wings onto a piece of thin wire. Fasten them together and hot glue them to the mascara top. Check out these wings! With this Wasp Mascara, your look will definitely be fly. Harley's favorite character is Catwoman, and she's got matching black mascara. Wrap a black mascara tube with light clay. Cut off the excess. Cut out a triangle and shape a Catwoman mask. Cut a glasses shape out of gray clay. Add glittering cardboard lenses and fasten the glasses on top. Wrap the tube in a thin spiral of light clay. No Catwoman can do without thick lashes. It gives her a real cat look. And how am I supposed to choose which mascara is better? Both of them are superpowered makeup products. Dolly decides to bring her friends together. So she gives them comic book makeup from the wrong universe. Oops, my bad. Jessica gets a nice Marvel eyeshadow palette. Put makeup pigment into a clean eyeshadow palette. Mix equal parts of light and dark green shades. These are Hulk colors. Add a few drops of rubbing alcohol and press it down. Put bronze and gold shadow into the next cell. Even out the top layer with a stick. These are Iron Man's iconic colors. Put makeup pigments into the third cell in rings so that it looks like Captain America's shield. Place a star on top. Put blue pigment inside the outline. Fill the fourth cell with black pigment. Spread it evenly over the entire surface. This is Black Panther eyeshadow. Remove the excess with a Q-tip. Attach a printed out image with Marvel Comics to the top of the palette. Jessica wants to apply her new eyeshadow, but something is missing. She needs a superhero makeup brush. Blondie just so happens to have one in her Superman Super Case. Trace a printed out Superman logo on thick red double-sided cardboard. Draw 1-inch flaps for every edge. Divide them in half and add flaps for fastening the box. Score the lines with a knitting needle. Cut out the piece. Assemble and glue the box. Make a lid for the box the same way by making the measurements slightly bigger. Attach the logo on top. Blondie opens up her case. This makeup brush needs super eyeshadow. There's only one way out. We need to join forces and universes. This DC makeup brush applies Marvel eyeshadow perfectly. At last, we brokered a comics truce. Did you like our superhero makeup? Then write in the comments which universe you prefer, Marvel or DC. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new superhero ideas on Troom Troom.